Alright guys, so it's become time to do the giveaway for the Gorilla Cart. Gorilla Cart sponsoring, giving away a couple of these carts. We've got the dump cart right here. We've got the steel cart, flatbed. The sides are removable to make it completely flat. You've probably seen those at the garden center. And then we've got the Evolution cart back here. Those carts are all fantastic carts. I use them all the time. I probably have used this one the most because I have had it the longest. We had 1,183 comments on this video, which is a lot of freaking comments. So not sure why all you guys don't comment on regular non-giveaway video, but you don't. So if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, please subscribe. And if you win a Gorilla Cart and you're not subscribed, I'm gonna jump right through that screen and wring your neck. Gorilla Cart said that they were going to give away 2. Maybe I could twist their arm, and they're sponsoring the giveaway that I could maybe try to give them to give away 1 of each item. So we've got the dump cart, the traditional, we've got the flatbed cart, and we've got the Evolution cart. Just going to hit start right here, and we're going to find the first winner. So the first winner is going to be for, I guess, this dump cart. And the winner is Maconk A Donk. He says, dump that. Use Gorilla Carts to dump that, sung to the beat of Corn, F that. Oh, that should not be a winner. That should not be a winner. Had to include in your comment, dump that somewhere, and it was so awesome reading all these ideas that people had come up with ways on how to say dump that. So I really appreciate that. Restart later, pick a time, seriously. Oh, leave me alone. And if Gorilla Cart only pay for 2, or if they only sponsor 2 of them, I will give away a 3rd myself with my money. So the second cart is for this steel cart, the second winner, and that's going to be Adrian M. Adrian M. Can you please dump that old man one more time? So that's not nice, Adrian. I did get dumped, but so Adrian, you win the steel flatbed cart. And then the last winner we're gonna have, pick one more winner, and this is for the Evolution cart. And before I pick this winner, I need to tell you guys something. So you've only got like 2 days to respond to this. And if you don't respond within like 2 or 3 days max, I'm gonna pick somebody else at my own will and put that in maybe the next video or something. Because this is how I know that you're watching my videos and that you appreciate what I'm doing, is you'll watch them right away or within a couple of days, rather than waiting 2 weeks. So some people are just in these videos for the giveaways, and I'm not into that. So I want to reward the people that watch my videos as I release them. So you've only got 2 days to contact me via email down below, and Gorilla Cart is going to ship these or drop ship these right to you. I'm not going to be shipping them. I will probably pay for one of them myself, and I will buy that on Amazon, and it will probably be this one right here. We'll have Gorilla Cart or Gorilla sponsor these 2 over here, and they'll drop ship those, and I will pay for this one to send to you. So the 3rd one is for the Evolution cart. I've picked start, or pick a winner right here. So the winner is the Bowtie Life. He says, I would have tracked down the bike kids and dumped that cow poop on their heads. Dang kids, you handled that well, buddy. So yeah, I appreciate that. The Bowtie Life, you are gonna win that Evolution cart over there. So in regards to those kids on the bike, there's just no way to find those kids, and it's just not a big deal. It is what it is, and it's pretty much disappeared by now. Granted, it's been about 4 weeks or something since, 4 or 5 weeks since it happened, but so that's it. Adrian M, the Bowtie Life, and Kronkadonk or whatever. He wins. You guys win. So contact me via email, connor@thelawnrebel.com. That email address will be down below. Thelawnrebel.com is where I sell my merch if you're interested in buying a shirt or a hat or something like that. So I want to give my testimonial towards these carts. They are fantastic. I don't do this video giving away stuff as a way to gain traction or a way to get more subscribers or anything like that. I do that because these carts are terrific. I'm telling you, and I'm not trying to boost sales to Gorilla or anything like that. This is about these carts. They are fantastic. I use this cart so much behind this 4-wheeler, drive around my property, picking stuff up. I've loaded it with sand. I did my whole sanding project, my whole lawn leveling project with that cart and this 4-wheeler. These things are freaking awesome. I'm telling you, if you don't have one, get one. They are worth the money. Yeah, they're about 130 bucks, 140 bucks or something, but it's well worth it. So let's do one more winner for a t-shirt. I'm gonna give away a t-shirt from my own pocket. So let's give away a Lawn Rebel t-shirt. So the winner is gonna be JD Robbie, JDROBBI. He says, I have a lot of brush and debris. I could really use that cart to dump that. So if that's you, JD, contact me within a couple days, or just go on my website and see the shirt that you want and the size or whatever, and contact me. Let me know what you want, shirt or a hat, and I will send it out to you, lawnrebel.com. So today is September the 8th. My dahlias are in full bloom over here, and they are fantastic. Mowed this lawn yesterday. Mr. Alan Hain will be here in less than a week. He's coming. We're doing the meetup. I want to remind you guys of the meetup we're doing at Cottonwood, Big Cottonwood Park or whatever, at the pavilion at 5 to 8. Come on Friday the 13th. The lawn here kind of looks like I got some fertilizer striping going on over there. I did an application of the Next products with Tenacity a week ago, and I hate to say it, but I think I've got fertilizer striping, which sucks because I put some N charge down there, or some of the Next products that have the nitrogen in them. So right here, this will all be lawn. I will pick up these rocks and grade the soil up to there. Over there, I'm gonna do the same thing, turn that into lawn. Those trees will come out, clean up all this stuff. It's too bad, but this lawn season's coming to an end for me. I probably have about one more month of mowing, and that's it. About mid-October and my season's over, but look at that fantastic mow. It's beautiful. The lawn is so green, beautiful, and don't know that I put nitrogen down on there for quite a while, actually. So that is going to do it. Thanks for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Lets me know you like what I'm doing and helps support me to continue to make more videos. So appreciate you guys. If you won, contact me. We'll get you set up. Gorilla Cart will drop ship these carts to you, and then I will drop ship another cart to you from Amazon out of my pocket. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.